In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage overflow text in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel and looking at a common formatting issue that comes up when working with spreadsheets. Overflow text happens when the content inside a cell is wider than the column itself. When that happens, the text can spill visually into the next empty cell, which can make your worksheet look messy or harder to read. The good news is that Excel gives you a few simple ways to control how that text appears. To understand what this looks like, imagine you have some sample data in your sheet. In one cell, you might have a long product description that extends well beyond the width of the column. If there's empty space in the next column, Excel may display that text as if it's continuing into that neighboring cell. Without formatting, this can create confusion, especially when you're sharing the file or reviewing larger tables. The first method is wrap text. This is one of the easiest and most useful ways to keep long content readable without changing the overall width of your worksheet. To do this, select the cell or cells that contain the long text. Then go to the Home tab and choose Wrap Text. Excel will automatically place the content onto multiple lines within the same cell so it fits inside the existing column width. This is especially helpful for notes, descriptions, and any text you want to keep visible without making the sheet too wide. Keep in mind that when text wraps, Excel may increase the row height to display all the lines clearly. The second method is to increase the column width. This is a good option if you want the text to remain on a single line and you have enough space in your worksheet layout. Move your cursor to the boundary between two column headers at the top of the sheet. From there, you can drag the boundary to make the column wider manually. If you want Excel to size the column automatically based on the content, just double-click that boundary to use Auto Fit. This is a quick way to make sure the full text is visible without extra trial and error. Both methods are useful, and the best choice depends on how you want your spreadsheet to look. Wrap text is great for compact layouts, while widening the column is ideal when readability on one line matters more. Once you know these two options, managing overflow text in Excel becomes quick, easy, and much more professional.